SEAFOAM Auto Marine Fleet motor treatment. So clean injectors, clean carb jets, stabilize fuels, clean deposits, add lubricant to the fuel. Showing you how to use it. A Ford F-150 pickup truck with 170,000 miles on it. There's 3 different ways you can use this. You can put it directly in your fuel tank. That's what I want to show and demonstrate today. You can put some directly into your oil injector. That's supposed to clean the deposits out and help with efficiency. Probably would help to have a spout. My gas mileage, increased by a lot. It went up actually to like 14, 15, 16 miles per gallon after putting a whole bottle of this directly into my fuel tank. You, come here. Yes, you. I need your help. Come here. You see this right here? This wall's empty. I need a YouTube play button. In order for me to get a YouTube play button, I need 100,000 subscribers. I got what, 20, 30,000 right now? I need 100. I need you. Please, you to subscribe. You think my subscription doesn't help? Yes, it does. I need 100,000. I visualize what I want in this world. And what I want is a YouTube play button. I want a YouTube play button, and I need you to subscribe. You can help me. You can make your dreams come true. Just visualize it. Whatever you want in this world, you can have. You can have all your dreams come true. I want you to help me make my dreams come true. All right? So please, please subscribe.